Welcome. In this video, we'll go through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to disable app icon badges for X notices on the X app. If you've ever felt distracted or overwhelmed by those little red circles that appear on the app icon, this quick tutorial will help you turn them off for good, so you can take back control of your screen without missing anything important. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to your phone's settings. This is where you control most of the customization and notification options on your device. From there, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps. Once inside the Apps menu, locate and tap on the X app from the list. This will open up all the settings that specifically apply to that app. The next step is to select Notifications. Here you'll see different categories of alerts and ways the app communicates with you. Now to narrow things down, tap on Notification Categories. This breaks the app's notifications into separate types, making it easier to control what's important and what isn't. Among the list, you'll find the option labeled X Notices. Go ahead and tap on that. Inside X Notices, you'll see a toggle for app icon badges. This is the setting that creates those numbered badges on your home screen icon. To remove them, simply switch the toggle off. With that one change, your app icon will no longer display a badge every time a new notice comes in. From this point forward, you'll still receive notices inside the app, but your home screen will remain clear of badge alerts. It's a small change, but it can make your phone feel less cluttered and help reduce the urge to check your device constantly, and that's all there is to it. By following these quick steps, you've successfully disabled app icon badges for X notices on the X app. Simple, clean, and effective. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out more of our tutorials for practical tips on customizing your phone and making it work better for you. Thanks for watching.